Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm building a PC in early 2021 where, all the components are expensive, especially GPUs. I'm building this PC for my sister, who mainly uses it for drawing, rendering, editing, and gaming. All parts in this video are brand new, so if you want to use my components in this build, everything will be in the description. Now, first things first, the processor I'm using is the i5-10400 for about $181. If you didn't know, Intel is actually catching up with the price to performance against AMD, albeit with a 14nm plus architecture. And if you're using your PC for gaming, i3-10100F should be just fine, saving you $60 along the way. For the motherboard, because we're going with an i5 10th generation CPU, an H410 motherboard should be just fine. So I chose the MSI H410 Pro VH, going for about $73. You can overclock the RAM up to 2666 MHz with this board, which doesn't really matter much to the performance unlike the AMD counterpart. You're welcome MSI. As for the GPU, I chose the old GTX 1063GB model, because apparently the 6GB one is much more expensive at the time. And as you may have heard, Nvidia has brought back the 1000 series graphics cards to the circulation, because the graphics card situation at the time is pretty bad. At the time of recording this video, this GTX 1063GB actually goes for just about $200. Given the situation, finding a new graphics card close to MSRP price like this is actually a rare sight. For the memory, I chose the Viper Steel 8GB. Two of them. It costs around $78 for both, and it maxes out at 3000 MHz. But as I said, on motherboard only allows them to run at 2666 MHz max. But then again, it doesn't really matter much since this is an Intel build. I'm not going cheap on the power supply, so I chose the BeQuiet System Power 9, 500 watts. It ranks C at Linus PSU tier list, which is pretty good considering the price of just $56. It gets the job done, safe, and quiet. Storage, yes. I chose the ADATA SU650 240GB. Picked it up for just around $32. A decent SSD, the M.2 form factor saved me some headache later on in this build. For this specific build, I added a refurbished 2TB of WD Blue hard drive for $39. Last but not least, for the case, I'm going real cheap on this one, a RAPTOR 1501. It's $16, nothing much, pretty compact, no DVD slot, although I wonder who still uses one of those. Oh yeah, and also about Samsung SF350 24-inch monitor for $97. It's color rated at 72% NTSC, which is a 99% sRGB. Pretty dang color accuracy there. Oh, and also came with FreeSync. With all the parts out of the way, let's build this. Video, and a sub would be appreciated. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.